Hi students! Today we're going to read a story about
Cooking.
cooking. Okay, so we will listen and read the story. Okay, he says, I peel the potatoes.
I peel the potatoes.
I peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes.
I chop a cabbage.
I chop a cabbage.
I chop a cabbage.
I chop a cabbage.
I grate the carrots.
I grate the carrots.
I grate the carrots.
Grate the carrots.
I wash the beans.
I wash the beans. I wash the beans.
I wash the beans. I cut the butternut.
I cut the butternut. Cut the butternut.
I cut the butternut. I chop the spinach.
I chop the spinach. Chop, 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 chop. The spinach. Spinach. I chop the spinach.
I chop the spinach. My mom chops the onions.
My mom chops the onions. My mom chops the onions.
My mom chops the onions.
Oh no.
Onions make me cry when they are chopped.
Onions make me cry. Cry when they are chopped.
Onions make me cry when they are chopped.
All right. Thank you for reading this story with me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.